Hello, I'm Bryce Hansen with Customs Info. This is our second video in a three-part series on how to become a CI search ninja. In our first video we covered some of the basics of the navigation and how to perform searches. This is on the intermediate level. We're going to talk about some of the basic search operators that you can use in your search queries to expand or narrow down your results. So in our original example we talked about just the example of leather shoes. So we got 1700 results, and the first operator we want to talk about is the AND operator, which is actually the default operator when you use more than one term. As you can see, the results are the same. It's going to search for any documents with the word leather and shoes in it, regardless of whether they're close together or far apart. You don't necessarily have to use AND. It'll treat any words with a space in between them like it has the word AND in between them, but it's good to clarify your thinking when doing searches. The second operator is OR, and if you use that, it'll actually search for any documents with either word in them, so it expands the results. So in case you get only one or two hits on a search query, you can use the word OR to expand it. Most people are looking for maybe 10 to 20 results, so that can be helpful. And then the last operator is NOT. So if you use that, it's going to look for any results for leather that don't contain mention of shoes. So that's the basic three operators that you can use in a CI search. You can imagine how useful it can be to use those in combination. Tomorrow we're going to have our last video in the series on the really advanced search functions, and by then you'll become a CI search ninja. Thanks, this is Bryce, signing off.